Hello, this is Gürkan from Capturefast. Welcome to my demonstration. This is our website. I'm going to type the prefix to access the web application. This is app.prefix. When you click on it, okay, this is ready. I'm going to log in into the system. If you don't have any account, you can easily create your account by clicking the register button. But I already have one, so I'm signing in the system. Sorry. Here. Uh, this is the dashboard. You can get detailed information about your account, number of pages, or your team activities. You can see that we have 5 important tabs here. We have some more, but the first 5 is the most important ones, especially the document type. With the help of these document type tab, you are going to create your new document types into the system. Upload is easy, very understandable. You should upload the documents to be processed. Verification is the only way the verification people can use it to verify for the scanned images. Let me click the document types. You can see we have 2 main sections, the blue area and the white area. Blue area is for the private templates. You can select one of those and inherit and update according to your requirements. So for example, invoice. This invoice is a general invoice processing solution. It has a lot of information, but some of them missing, like bill of ladings in logistics. So you can define in them just after inheriting them. The white area is the area the documents are in this white area I created for my team. Today we will create a new document type starting from scratch. Let me clean the first one, the previous one first. Okay, here. So I will start from scratch. We have 4 steps to design a new document type. The first one is the main definitions, and I will upload one single sample document. That one is important. The first, because I'm going to upload a field document just to speed up the definition completion. You can see the name is automatically given. The system understands. And I'm going to the next step. This is the field definition. This one is extremely important. Capturefast is a semi-structured document processing solution. It is not a forms processing solution. That means now we are going to define the fields by rectangles, but that doesn't mean that the system is going to look only at those locations. No, the system is smart enough. The system will find the required information anywhere in the document, not in the location, not in the place we add that rectangle. Here, we just want to add these fields. You can see that I'm just clicking on them. I'm not drawing a rectangle like this one, but you can use it, especially for those notes, bigger areas, addresses. If you draw a bigger rectangle, then the system will think that you need to extract from multiple lines. And clicking each of them here, you can see, and one by one, just clicking on them. That's it. You can see that in a couple of seconds, I already added about 20 or 25 fields here. Yeah, it's more than 20. And the field type is automatically recognized. So you can see text, date, and some numbers. That's it. It's extremely easy to add new fields into the system with the help of the field document. By the way, again, I'm repeating, the system is not looking exactly the location, because in the end, you will see the verification step, and you will see that there is going to be a totally different document layout type. By the way, I forgot to mention about this document. This document is emergency medical form provided by Westfield or by Union County Public School district administrators. In the beginning of the year, public school district administrators are asking these documents from parents, and parents are filling up them and sending. In case of an emergency situation, teachers school nurses, even police can easily access these documents in seconds by their smartphones. So that's why we are providing these documents in New Jersey. But sometimes, not sometimes, most of the schools are using different layouts. School nurses are using their own updated forms. Sometimes physicians, sometimes parents are changing these documents because, especially for those students who has some special allergies or disease, they are changing these documents per the information per the student, or they are adding supplementary documents. That's why the system is a semi-structured document processing solution and can easily extract any information from the document. In this demonstration, I used that one and I already completed the field addition. Let's go to the next step, which is destination. In this example, I am going to use only email because we have a lot of connectors here. The system can populate the data to any content management system, cloud file storage systems, web service integration, more than 1,000 applications with the help of Zapier, Box, CRM tools, Pipedrive, Salesforce, and Box is also extremely important because of its metadata structure. You can easily create a complete data document capture and content management system in 10 minutes. So each of them needs at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes tutorial, but I don't want to transform this demonstration session into a training session. You can watch our trailing videos to see each of them. Today, I'm just going to use email. I will type my email address here. We have a lot of options, and again, I don't want to go deep into the detail. You can easily click and understand by reading the information, but I'm all keeping them as is and going to the next step. The next step, the final step, is managing access. You can invite people here. The left side is capturers. That means people who are going to send the document into the system. They could be salespeople working around in the city, vendors, your clients, anybody who is going to send the document could be any could be capturer. And we are not asking the domain name. That means you can even invite your clients or vendors. So the system Capturefast is unlimited user license system. So there is no any limit inviting the people. The right side is for verifiers. That means a data entry team in your organization or the verification team. They are looking at the documents and all the information is perfectly captured, or if they're not, they're correcting or editing the data. Especially for those documents coming from document scanners, low resolution ones, they could need any verification, a verification step in the process. So let's finish the document definition set. Of course, I didn't go deep into the field definition. For example, I will go to the document time, and this one is created together, but I will delete this one because I don't want to use it, because I already have one previously defined, and I will show you some detailed properties. In this example, by the way, the document is the same, the field names, the fields are the same. You can see that here, the insurance company, I didn't keep it as recognized. I go deep into advanced options, and I defined a list. That means this is the insurance companies. You can easily define a field as a Dropbox list or a lookup database. The system can look at the data from any specific list. That's why here I used the insurance company list. And some other ones here, the notes. The notes section, it's not the notes, by the way. It's allergies. It could be anywhere. I'm not designing. The location is not important. I just want to keep it here in separated area. And here I designed a regular expression. That means the system is going to find these words, and if there is any word here, peanut, mustard, or something, that means there is a possibility of allergic situation for the student. So this must be extracted. And there are another options, the excluded symbols. You can exclude any symbol and the system cleans the data. And multiple labels. Here again, the state ID. Sometimes students or the parents are giving a specific ID, or sometimes they are providing their social security number. Here, you can define different labels. You can add unlimited number of labels into the system. So when the system comes in, finds the extracted information by the help of these labels. So let's go to, okay, here again, the email address. Look at that. I designed as no label. Why? Because email, as we trained, as the human eye and brain, as we trained, we can easily understand this is an email address because it finishes with a .com and there's an @ sign in the middle of the email address. So we don't need to see the email label or caption here to understand this sentence is an email address. Or the cell phone. The cell phone is three area code and then 7 numbers is the phone number. And even the address is also easy to understand, for especially for United States, because it ends with a zip code, 5 numbers, and 2 characters for the state, the city, and the street and the number. It's extremely easy. So the system easily be trained like a human. So I trained that system, so the system is going to extract the information easily. Let's go to upload section. I'm going to click auto. That means the system classify the document automatically. Let's go and select 2 file. I'm uploading 2 documents here. The first one is the one we used to design the document template, so we are not expecting any misrecognition. But the second one, the layout is totally different. Let's go to verify. Here, both of them is here. Let's click one of them. This is the first one. This document is the document we use to design the template as expected. Everything is green. There is no any red. There is no any missing, and all is captured perfectly. Here, you can see when I go to any field, the system draws a rectangle on the right side and takes the image part and displays here. So the data entry clerk does not waste time to check the data is perfectly captured or not. Let's finish it. And the second page is important. You can see that in this document, the layout is totally different. By the way, the information, the result is just below the caption, not on the right side, just like the one previously we designed. By the way, this document is my son's document. Most of these information are real, other than the social security number. You can see that the data is also captured perfectly. You can see, here it's a different. Do you see the birthday? But in the form, it is not birthday, it is birthday, because I of course I type this demo document on purpose. I change it on purpose because we know that OCR engines, most of time OCR engines misrecognize the words. What happens? As the human eye and human brain, I can easily understand that this is birthday because it's very similar to birthday. This word, this is the birthday, but it's very similar to birthday. It is exactly running like that. In the system, our AI thinks like a human and says that, okay, this must be the birthday because the information is a date, and the label is very similar to birthday. So this is the AI. You can easily change the AI settings. And please watch our training videos. You will see more details, how to design, how to change the field properties, there are a lot of options: user exits, codes, and AI options, show verify options, regular expressions. Regular expression is also important. Let me show it here. Okay, this one, allergies. Remember, these allergies, the system is not looking anywhere, any location. It's just looking the entire document, including multiple pages, including the other pages. The system is trained to find the allergic words: peanut, milk, egg. And if the system finds one, then it puts here. So this one is also very important. And you can see here another regular expression example. It is the email, and the phone number is also. These information do not have any label, but the system extracted perfectly. As I said before, it is very easy. As a human eye, as a human, I can easily understand this one is an email address, and I also trained the system to do so. So the system is captured the email address and the phone number perfectly. That's it. It's extremely easy. When I go to the when I click this finish and next, all the operation is completed. Now, what happened to data, extracted data? The extracted data is deleted from the system. So Capturefast is not keeping any extracted data after the transfer. Let's go to my email address. As you remember, we said the system that find the required information. Oh, here, sorry, here, let's click. And let's wait, the emails is coming, and I'm going to show you. By the way, forget it. Here is the document information settings, and you can see this is the one we processed together here. When I click on it, and I can easily see the document history. Every minute, every second is logged in the system, so you can easily see what happened to the document, who watched, who viewed the information, who verified, or who transferred. Okay, here it is. Both of them is here. And this email, let me open that. And you can see some common information: who captured, when captured, and then the extracted data. Let's open it. Let's open the JSON file, and we can. Yeah, Visual Studio is a huge system. I should open a text editor instead of Visual Studio. Okay, here it is. You can see all the extracted information. Remember, name, last name here. You can see the same value is here, the name here, and the verified. Sometimes the verified data entry clerk can update it. So we just want to keep the existing, the recognized one here, and updated one here. Not only the misrecognition, the OCR ranges recognition, sometimes the data entry clerk can add different information from different sources. That's why we just want to keep both. And the confidence level, this is the OCR recognition confidence level. In these examples, they're all 100 because this is the digitally born PDF file. That means Capturefast is using the text layer. Some of our competitors are using an OCR engine to convert the document, even if it is a digitally born. And this can cause some misrecognition, but in our technology, we don't convert already digital document into analog and use OCR engine. We are using the text layer. That's why the confidence level is always 100%. And the extracted coordinates is also here. This system can use both the digital documents and scanned documents in the same structure. We are not asking our clients to separate different document types. That's it. Thank you so much for watching me. Please do not forget to watch trailing videos, advanced options, and you can always access us so we can demonstrate the entire system per your requirements. Thank you so much.